Hi, I'm Julietter, and occasionally I ditch the newsroom to moonlight as a figure skating coach. If you're planning on heading to an ice rink these holidays, it pays to know a few basics. Firstly, make sure your feet are parallel, hip-width apart. If your ankles collapse, your skates could be too loose or too big. The most important rule, bend your knees. Straight-legged skating might cause you to fall. Come into the safety position by putting your hands on your knees in a squat. Let's try moving. Start with marching on the spot, lifting your knees and placing your feet back on the ice. See if you can turn around on the spot. If you want to start moving forward, turn your feet out like a penguin and start pushing. Try a few more pushes, then bring your feet back into a parallel position for a 2-foot glide. If you really want to work those inner thigh muscles, try some fishies, where you push out, then squeeze the thighs back in. Ready to go backwards? From your neutral skating position, turn your toes in and start marching, and you'll start going backwards. So watch out for the people behind you. Stopping is a bit tricky and requires a bit of practice. Start by the barrier, bend your knees, and try scraping the surface of the ice with your blade. Stopping is a skill that needs to be learnt and practiced. Most importantly, have some fun, and remember, even the best of us fall.